Hello, my bananas. It's Breana. I've returned from the holiday break and I have a new cookbook for you. Bob's Burgers. If you haven't seen Bob's Burgers, it's a little cartoon about a family that owns a burger shop. It's pretty funny. If you like cartoons, if you like The Simpsons or Family Guy, it's comparable. But all of their burgers have jokes attached to them. And this recipe book is actual recipes from the joke burgers. So we're going to try one today. This one's called Hummus a Tune Burger. And we're going to make a special hummus. I've roasted these red peppers already and I took the skin off. So these are just waiting patiently. And let's make some burgers. I got my burger earrings on. I'm ready. So let me get some things out. Okay, so we're going to start with the hummus. And I got this little gadget for Christmas from my hubby. This brand is Koios. I don't know how to say it. But it's an immersion blender, technically. It's got this dial on the top to change speeds. It's got a turbo button and a power button. Now, obviously it comes with immersion blender attachment. You can just put that right on there. It also comes with this whisk. And it also comes with this like milk frother attachment. It also comes with this food processy guy. So we're going to test that part out. First I need to open this can. This can topper is from a previous video I did. I believe either wish.com or Temu. But it's silicone. You just slip it on top of your can, just like that. It's got a little drainage. You can just drain your beans. Drain your canned veggies or whatever. I love this little thing. So, I have cannellini beans. I have garbanzo beans. Goya. Drain these guys. It doesn't say to drain the beans, but I'm assuming. Now, this is kind of a big portion, so I'm cutting it in half. So we're going to do half a can of each of my beans. So this has 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Not really sure what the half of that is. Maybe 3/4. So I'm just going to like squirt a couple times. Call it good. Garlic, we're going to do half a tablespoon. So I'm just going to do a good little spoon. Olive oil, we're going to do 1/4 of a cup. So technically 1/8 of a cup. But I don't have that kind of measure. One tablespoon of, okay, this is what I thought was weird. Sesame oil we are using instead of tahini. And my husband thinks that's weird. So we're going to see how this turns out. Is it going to be oily or is it going to be thick? We're going to find out. Some salt and peppies. This plops right on top. You're gonna see how good this is. It lights up blue, isn't that cool? Okay, power, power. Turbo. Let's turn up the speed. Crank it up to 10. Alright. That was like 30 seconds of blending, so let me check it out. Let me check it out. Ooh. It looks thick. Yep, it's pretty thick. I have a carrot. I'm gonna try this out. I approve. You have to really like sesame oil. Maybe I put a little bit too much, but that's good. Unless you have tahini, put some tahini in there instead of the sesame oil. Voila! Peppers, hummus, carrot, burger. Okay, this is like a quarter pound of beef right here. I guess I don't need to flatten it. I'm gonna roll this in a ball because I have this, well, circular shape. Because I have this burger smasher now. It's cast iron, it's Cuisinart, and it's beautiful. Okay, put this on kind of a high heat. Butter. I'm gonna salt and pepper this. Get some buns ready. Alright. Stick my burger in my pan. With my smasher. I smashed it. So let me cook that up. Let me toast some buns. Let me clean up a little bit, and I'll come right back, and then we'll try our burger. Yay! Okay, we're back. I got some buns. Let me get this extra toasty one. Got a burgie. If you want, you can put some lettuce under this burgie. But I don't really like lettuce on my burgie because it tends to get really wilty really fast. So I avoid lettuce on my burgies. I'm gonna take some of my hummus. Put a big dollop. I'm gonna take some red peppers. And that's it. And now we're gonna try it. If you don't have time to time or the effort to roast a pepper and take the skin off, because it takes like an hour, you can just get those Mentos in a jar, put those on top, because those are already roasted red peppers. They're just kind of oily. So, you ready? Let's try our burgie. Think. Mmm. It's super delicious. You know what else I thought would be good? Some queso fresco. I'm gonna try and put it on this side. I'm like trying to eat less cheese, and then here I am putting queso fresco on. Whatever. New Year, less cheese? I don't know. We'll see. Hmm. Mm. I mean, it's really subtle difference, but it brings a little more like saltiness and depth of flavor. Also, this may look kind of weird at first. I made this last night. It's just a cucumber salad. I'm gonna put cucumbers and this queso fresco, a little bit of sesame oil, and a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and some dill. And how it would go good with this. And it does. This is also just suggesting that you can do half beef, half lamb, but lamb's kind of hard to find. I don't want to put that much effort. And I already had a bunch of beef on hand. And this is just as good. Mmm. This is delicious. And nutritious. And you might have a little extra hummus for your carrots or for your wheat thins or whatever you got around. Or just eat it. It's good. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate everybody that watches me every time I post. Appreciate everyone that has subscribed. And please leave me comments. I love all your comments. I read them and I respond. Become a banana in my bunch. Why don't you subscribe? And I will see you next time with another video. Bye-bye.